Hey there, PowerPoint enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your presentations pop. Today, we're tackling how to embed fonts in PowerPoint 2025. If you've ever shared a slideshow only to have the fonts go haywire on another computer, this tutorial is for you. Embedding fonts ensures your design stays consistent, no matter where your file ends up. Let's dive in. First things first. Why bother embedding fonts? In 2025, with more remote collaborations than ever, it's crucial for your presentations to look professional everywhere. It prevents issues like font substitutions that can throw off your layout. Now, grab your PowerPoint file, and let's get started. Step 1. Open your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure you're using the latest version from Microsoft 365 for the best features. Head over to the File tab in the top left corner. That's your gateway to all the behind-the-scenes settings. Step 2. From the File menu, select Options at the bottom. This opens a dialog box with a ton of customization tools. Navigate to the Save section on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find options related to how your file is saved and shared. Step 3. Look for the Embed Fonts in the File checkbox. Tick that box to enable it. You'll see sub-options like Embed only the characters used in the presentation to keep the file size down, or Embed all characters if you want full flexibility. Choose based on your needs. For most users, the first option works great to save space. Step 4. Once you've made your selection, hit OK to close the options window. Now, save your presentation by going to File, Save As, and pick your desired location. Boom! Your fonts are now embedded. A quick tip. Always test your file on another computer or in compatibility mode to ensure everything looks right. Common pitfalls include forgetting to embed, which leads to font mismatches, so double-check every time. There you have it, folks. Embedding fonts in PowerPoint is a simple process that can save you from presentation disasters. If you're preparing for that big meeting or client pitch, this feature is a must-know. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more 2025 tech tutorials and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.